What's up everyone, Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans, and today's product highlight video is the net. We've been selling these for a few years as well. And it's probably one of the most simple things that we have, just a net. And there's a few uses that you can use this, so I'm just gonna show you how this works. One, if you have a cab shelf, especially Winnebago Revels, already have one built in. We sell some cab shelves as well for our Showtime curtain, but you can put these right underneath as well, and it could just be for magazines or sunglasses or tissue, maps, any of that kind of stuff as well. So I think it works great there because it's easy and accessible when you're up front. The other, and probably more of my favorite, is when you get them, they have this adhesive on the back that you can peel and stick anywhere. But I really like to do this inside the Revel, in the shelves here, cab shelves, and above here in the cab shelf. We can just go right direct to the fabric. So this makes a really cool thing. You can get a couple of them in here, right? So I'll come in here, lock that in, stretch it out a little bit, and I can really now actually get two of these inside here. And see if I have anything. I guess I don't have anything. Well, let's just say you got some loose stuff, and instead of, if you put your shelf in here or your stuff's all over the place, you can just, easily put things in there and it kind of holds it in place. So I love stuff like that. It could be playing cards, it could be games, it could be, clothes, socks, underwear, you name it. So it's very versatile. Then you can also put it up here. So you can get 2 or 3 of them in here as well. Same concept, it'll just Velcro right to there. And then that's it. So now not only do you have all this storage space up here and above the cab shelf, you also have little extra things that you can put in here as well. So keep that in mind when you're thinking about nets. You can use the adhesive part, put them in here. You can also put them up against the ceiling fabric and inside to the back of the cabinet on the fabric here as well. Just a super easy thing. Storage is a premium, so anytime we can be a little more organized, have less things moving around when we're driving and rattling, and keep them secure, that is always the goal in these vans. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment. The description and link, the link I should say, will be in the description below, along with all of our social media platforms, how to get a hold of us, how to get a hold of our customer service team, our website, all that will be in the description below. We'll continue to keep coming out with these highlight videos to educate you on the products that we sell so you can make the right decision for upfitting your van as well. So we'll see you on the next video.